I just love it when we can get together and play games. That's when the fun begins. This is Brother Barnes, and I want to teach you some things about meiosis, meiosis, and mitosis. And then I want you to answer this question, true or false, based on what I tell you. Notice that in meiosis, which is gamete or sex cell division, that we start out with a full chromosome count, which is called diploid. It goes through one stage in which the chromosome count is cut in half, and that is termed haploid. And then each one of these offspring cells will then form two more cells. Or let me rephrase that. They will break in half to form two cells. So basically, this stage right here is kind of a meiotic division. And then this division right here is more mitotic because you have two and you end with two. I may want to redo this video later. I may not be exactly correct on that, but let's take a look at mitosis for just a moment. Notice that in mitosis, each cell only gets a chromatid, one half of the chromosome. And then the nuclear membrane reappears, and notice that the centrioles are intact from the original process. So notice that the offspring cells have 4 chromosomes like the mother cell. It's a little bit confusing because they're not really exactly like the mother cell in either one of these cases. I mean, if you look at it, I see 4 X's, and here I see 4 little squigglies. Here I see 4 X's, and I see 2 squigglies and 2 squigglies and 2 and 2. So the confusion can be abated. It can be solved. What happens is when each one of these cells, these offspring cells, goes through cell interphase, which is part of its cell cycle, each one of these will bud out the missing telomere. So there's a top P telomere and a bottom Q telomere that each one of these are missing, and they will bud these out so that each new offspring cell will have the complete chromosome, the X-shaped thingy. That is quite the throwdown. I realize, I know it is, and so thank you for being patient. Here's my question. In meiosis, the original cell, diploid, forms 4 offspring haploid cells. Is this true? Thumbs up. Is it false? Thumbs down.